Assalamualaikum rahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to English class. I hope everyone are fine and doing great. So, students, in previous class we had completed I want to fly, and second the three butterflies, and last it best friend. Now I am going to second unit number second, speak the truth. This is new lesson. So take out English textbook, page number 11. Unit number second. Let us understand. Study the picture and understand. So it is story about one honest boy. So from this we will find out the moral. Look at this red t-shirt boy. He is Chandru. One day when he was walking, he saw a lady getting out of an R2. See here, she is wearing pink sari. By mistake, and unknown lady, she dropped her hand purse and walked towards home. Chandru saw the purse which was lying on the roadside. Chandru took purse and went to the police station. You can see in this picture, and handed over this purse to the police. He was appreciated by everybody in the police station. A lady dropped or lost her purse. She came there to the police station to register lodge a complaint that she lost purse. She saw that Chandru has come to and hand over the purse to police station. So she saw her purse and told the police that it's her purse. The police gave the hand purse to that lady. The police and the lady thanks Chandru and appreciate him. So her Chandru is an honest boy and truthful boy. Okay, students, understood? Okay, next we move to lesson speak the truth. Read along with me. Put your finger. Santosh was a student of class 4th. His teacher gave him homework every day. Santosh usually reached home at 4 p.m. He would have his snacks and then do his homework. Once again I repeat you, read with me. Santosh was a student of class 4th. His teacher gave him homework every day. Santosh usually reached home at 4 p.m. He would have his snacks and then do his homework. So let me explain you. So students, see in this picture of classroom. The teacher begins the class by taking attendance. Okay. So Santosh was a school going boy like you all and was studying in class 4. In the class, teacher would give homework every day. So Santosh usually would reach 4 p.m. When you are 3rd standard, you also reach home by 4:30. Okay. Now due to corona, you people are not able to come to school. So in this same way, Santosh also was studying in 4th class like you all. After reaching home from the school, he would get fresh up and would clean himself. Okay, and would wear clean clothes and mother prepared evening snacks. Snacks means a small amount of foods. Okay. You eat now after going home some food like chaats. We eat now after eating snacks we would sit and do his homework like you all. Okay students, understood first paragraph? Okay, next we move to second para. One day Santosh returned from school. He was happy to see his cousin Sandhya. She had come to school with him. One day Santosh returned from school. He was happy to see his cousin Sandhya. She had come to play with him. So let me explain you. One day Santosh returned home as usual. 4 p.m. he returned. Santosh was very happy to see his cousin Sandhya. So Sandhya, his cousin, and come to play. Cousin means they are children of uncle and aunts. Here uncle and aunts children are called as you cousin. Okay. So Sandhya is Santosh's cousin. She had come play with him. Okay students, understood? Okay, next third para, read along with me. Santosh played with Sandhya the whole evening. He forgot to do his homework. The next day his teacher asked him, "Why have not you done your homework?" Once again I repeat it, read with me. Santosh played with Sandhya the whole evening. He forgot to do his homework. The next day his teacher asked him, "Why have not done your homework?" Let me explain you. Next day the teacher asked, "Why not done homework?" Then Santosh and Sandhya happily then play whole evening. In this happy mood, Santosh forgot to homework. Next day as usual, he went to school without homework. The teacher saw his homework book and she asked him, "Santosh, why have not done homework?" Then Santosh, what he did, we'll see next para. Read along with me. Santosh did not reply, but suddenly he thought of an excuse and said, "I had fever, madam." The teacher thought it was true and excused him. Santosh did not reply, but suddenly he thought of an excuse and said, "I had fever, madam." The teacher thought it was true and excused him. So let me explain you. See here, the teacher is asking and he stand quietly, but suddenly means quickly and immediately. Excuse means reason that you give, explain your mistake. So if you are done homework, you will tell lie. And teacher, I forgot bring book, so you will some other reason. And Santosh also telling lies. The teacher said, "Oh, tomorrow bring your books." The teacher thinking that he is telling truth and she excused him. Okay students, understood? Next we move to homework. Today's your homework, 1 page copywriting. So you have to write in your notebook. Now end your today's class. Thank you. Jazakallahu khair.